Guys, just wanted to say last video was very unfortunate. It's not working by ignition. It was really working for me, but later on I just got to know that it's revoked and it's no longer working. And guys, this video will be without a computer, definitely, and it works 100%. I'm going to show you by App Valley method, which is genuinely working right now. As you can see, Uncover recently updated newer version 5.0.1, which is fixed a lot of bugs and all that. Most of you guys may be facing while installing Uncover. You might have faced that error. Now it's finally fixed in 5.0. If you already installed Uncover, I'll suggest you to upgrade to this newer version. Let's jump into the video. As you can see, this is App Valley official page. As you can see, 110k followers for this page. They recently tweeted 1 hour ago, Uncover is now working for version 5.0.1. Install via this link. Sorry for the wait, enjoy. So make sure to follow this Twitter account, otherwise my Twitter account, because I'll frequently update not only for the App Valley, I'll update for the Ignition and AppCake. Once you install this App Valley method, we just need to install a reprovision to fix the problem in case this gets revoked. Once you install Uncover by App Valley, you have to protect Uncover from getting revoked. For that reason, we need to install one tweak from Cydia, which is called reprovision. I'll get back to that. This method is without computer method and it's 100% works. I already made a computer version on Windows and Mac, how to install Uncover using Ulstore. So go ahead and check that. Link will be in the description. Now click on the link. You will head over to this website, which is App Valley mobile version. Just scroll down and you will see this featured Uncover jailbreak version. So if it is revoked, you will see if this is not working, you will definitely get the red ear. You will not get the get button. I'm sure they will fix the certificate very soon because they have said like that. If revoked, we will replace a new certificate immediately, thanks. So now click on the get button. Let me remove those ads. Okay, so when you click on it, you will get and you will have that version. Click on the get and you would like to install 5.0 version. Yes, install. As you can see, it's there on the home screen and it will start downloading. It definitely works right now. And make sure to follow their Twitter account and make sure to follow my Twitter account. Otherwise you can follow me on Instagram. I'll definitely update and you can DM me whenever you want. So as you can see, without a computer, no connection, and we just got Uncover. Click OK and you will see this untrusted enterprise developer. Click on it, go to the setting and head over to general, device and management. Click on it, go to this certificate, click on that and trust it. Once you've done that, go to home screen. Once it is done, click on Uncover. As you can see, the version latest 5.0.0. So if you are new to the jailbreak and if you are jailbreaking first time, it will take 2-3 attempts. So I'll just show you. Just put your device on the flight mode and now start jailbreak. This is ad, don't mind for that. Rebel is the sponsor for this Uncover version. You can see Rebel cases. Okay, now you see this jailbreak completed. The system needs to be reboot to finish the jailbreak process. When your device reboots, rerun jailbreak to complete the process. Now click on OK. Device will restart and this is first attempt. Now the device will open. Click your password, open your device and go to the Uncover and start jailbreak again. Start jailbreak again. Now this is second attempt. I found this Uncover version is very smooth and working very nicely. and there we go, jailbreak completed, no error occurs. Okay, the device will now reboot into the jailbroken state. Click on OK. And there we go, just open it and boom, there you have a Cydia and uncover. So now you're jailbroken completely. As you can see, re-jailbreak, that means you are jailbroken to the 5.0.1 version on 13.5. and let me show you, I'm on iOS 13.5. as you can see, working on iOS 13.5 completely. And now open your Cydia, but wait, make sure you remove that flight mode and put it on the Wi-Fi mode or just on your internet. Now open Cydia. There we go, you have the Cydia and it's working completely on 13.5, which is the latest one. Now we are not done here, we need to add one more repo and tweaks how you can stop uncover being revoked. For that, go to the Cydia in resource, click on edit, click on add, and here we need to add repo.incendo.ws, repo.incendo.ws, and click on add source. If you're stuck somewhere like this, just go ahead and click that cancel button. That means return to Cydia and just find out that repo somewhere. Yeah, there we go, it's here. Then go to the all package and scroll down. You see this reprovision, click on it. It shows this package is not yet confirmed to work on iOS 13.3. Doesn't matter, you just go ahead and modify and just install it and confirm. Click on Restart Springboard. Now as you can see, reprovision is downloaded, finally installed. We need to sign it. Now we need to sign in with Apple ID. So go ahead and provide your Apple ID. Sign in successfully. Click OK. Now as you can see, we are done. App Valley, iTunes and Uncover. Now click on Uncover and just hit on that add button, continue. Reprovision will allow to constantly sign all tweaks, apps and uncover jailbreak without a need of computer, and 100%, and it's done. Uncover error. Uncover, this app could not be installed because there already are 3 sign app install. Automatic signing needs at maximum 2 apps install via your account. To fix that, already 3 apps are there, so it's maximize, I guess. Manage certificate. Go to the manage certificates and make sure remove. So now we'll remove that certificate. If you have any other certificate, just remove that. And okay, now we are done. And once you've done that, we just this uncover will come here and it will sign automatically, so there will be no revoke again. So hope you understand. If you want computer method without a revoke, I'll mention the link in the description. I already made a video on computer and Mac how to jailbreak any iOS device using Ulster, so go ahead and watch that video. Even I already made a video on App Valley with computer, and this method works perfectly without a computer. Let me know in the comment section if this working for you, and have fun with this. Very soon I'm going to make a video on essential tweaks that after jailbreaking, which tweaks are required. Stay tuned for that, and please subscribe my channel if you are new to here, and hit that bell icon to get notified. I'll catch you in the next video. This is Shivam signing off, and it's always peace.